Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to share the the aloe products that I am going to share. But first, I'm gonna drink first. What I love with these products is organic. We are certified organic drinks, aloe. So this is a preservative-free, sugar-free, and the taste of this. So when you drink in the morning, you drink that much or more. Right. So why I drink this aloe every morning? This aloe have 12 vitamins, 20 minerals, 18 amino acid, 8 enzymes. There's a simanan that will help our immunity and help to have a natural antibiotic. So this is a preservative-free, good source of vitamin C, so it's very good for immunity, gluten-free, and this drink is certified Aloe Science Council. We are certified in our Muslim brothers halal. In Jewish people, this is certified. Now, so we go to the benefits because aloe vera have vitamin A, so it helps for normal growth and development, and very good for vision, very good for anti anti-infective. Oh, because of the vitamin A, just very good for the eyes. Very good for um dry skin, colds with diarrhea, and this product's really good because of the vitamin A and vitamin B1. So if you lack of appetite, there is a intestinal dysfunction and muscle nerve and muscles function is very good because of vitamin B1. So if you are lack of vitamin B1, defective carbohydrates and metabolism. So there's a vitamin B2, so growth of healthy skin, mouth, and eyes. And vitamin B, it's a water soluble. Vitamin B6, it's a proper metabolism of amino acid. There is a disease resistance. Vitamin B12, red blood cells, nitrogen metabolism, healthy nervous tissues. Vitamin C, healthy growth, good gum, teeth, sound blood vessels, rapid healing, resistance against flu and colds. That's why I drink this one every day. Vitamin D, proper utilization of calcium and phosphorus formation of bones and teeth. So because of the vitamin D that's in the aloe, it helps for bones and teeth also. So vitamin E, very good for reproduction, and vitamin K. So vitamin K is very good for normal blood coagulation and liver function. If you lack of vitamin K, you will have the hemorrhoids. So that's some of the vitamins that um, I am sharing with this aloe. So the aloe also is a cleanser and a prebiotic, so it helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut. Have a good day, everyone. Until next time, please do the sharing to others. If you know someone that want to do the cleansing and want to nourish the system, this is the best aloe drink. This is the best, better than the drinks that you drink um in the shop like Coke or any drinks with sugar. So this is I want to recommend. Have a good day, everyone. Take care.